Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of my hot pepper growing series. Well, it's been a week since the harvest, and it looks like this plant has come to the end of its seasonal lifespan, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it down a whole bunch and let it grow some new shoots for the next series of flowers to grow. I was going to let this one right here ripen, but it's taking so long, and my ghost pepper plant is starting to flower, and I don't know, I think it's a good time to just chop it down a bunch and let it recover. And then we'll be able to get a whole bunch of new flowers from it. And also the plant should get a lot bigger. And I'm going to try and make it a lot shorter as well, so that the ghost pepper plant and the jalapeno plant can be sort of the same height, because this one, since I didn't top it, is just super tall. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it down, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, and here we are after trimming the plant down and cutting off the last pepper, and as you can see, it is just a skeleton. Now I mean, I could have trimmed a lot more of the leaves off. There's still a good handful of leaves left. I could probably cut them all off actually, and it would still recover, but I just thought I'd leave a few more of the healthy leaves left. And now we just wait, and in about a week or two, I'll make another little update on how this plant's doing, and hopefully you will watch it start flowering again and making more peppers. And here is my ghost pepper plant. Now you guys haven't seen this one in quite some time, and I've actually made a few crosses on this plant with my jalapeno, and I have 3 flowers that are currently cross-pollinated, and I'll show you them right now. I can just position the camera, and as you can see here, this one with the little bread pack tie, I guess. You can see the flower that I pollinated. I took the anthers off and the petals and put some jalapeno pollen on it. And I do need to get a little bit better ways of keeping track of which flowers are crossed, because those tend to fall off. But they're doing enough for now. Here's one more, and the last one is right there. I can focus it. Right there. So yep, there's the new plant. And as you can see, after topping it about a month ago, it just is so big. Like, there's 3 major stems and a handful of other smaller stems in this plant. It's just amazing just how bushy these plants get after you top them. Because, you know, my jalapeno had 2 major branches, that was it. So hopefully we'll get a good handful of ghosts out of this plant. So to start off, here's my ghost pepper plant, and I think the first thing that I want to show you on this one is the cross-pollinated pepper that I have. That is this one right here. See if I can get a good shot on it. So it's this one, and it's a nice funky looking one. It's pretty much ripe now. There's a few spots on it that are green, but I don't think they're going to turn red. This one's been red for a little while, and I'm very excited to pick this one because I have this one crossed with my old jalapeno plant, and I'm really interested to see what comes out of the seeds that are inside of this one. As you can see, there's a few ripe ones as well. Here's one. Let me get it. Right here. And oh, actually, I didn't see this one. Here's another one. And next up is the jalapeno plant from the beginning of the series, actually. And as you can see, I cut the 2 main stems. There's one, and somewhere deep in there is the other one. Not sure how well you can see it, but there it is. So originally it was just the 2 branches that eventually grew and sprouted into the big ones. And after I cut them, after harvesting all the peppers, as you can see, all kinds of side shoots grew out, and now they're actually starting to bloom, as you can see. So we should be getting more jalapenos out of this guy. And lastly, what I wanted to show for this update is my Jamaican Scotch Bonnet Yellow seedling that I have. And as you can see, I have it in a little plastic water bottle hydroponics cracky system here. You can see little root systems. It doesn't look very good right now, but I just transplanted it a couple days ago into this. And this was just kind of an experiment anyway. But I am planning on getting a Scotch Bonnet plant and growing, because I've heard a lot of good things about them. Now this isn't a pepper, but I really wanted to show this. This is my hydroponic tomato plant that I have. And as you can see, it's the old peanut butter jar one that I had from last time, but it's a new plant, new clone. And there's the root system. Not sure how well you can really see that, but it's pretty good looking so far. It's about, I'm going to say, a month old. And this time, I actually have aeration. So this is DWC. And here's my little air stones. And the pump is over here. And so far, it's been working really well. I've had the aeration for about a week now, I think. And so far, after getting the air pumping through it, the roots just look so much better. So I'm hoping this one actually survives. Plus I have actual general hydroponics nutrients. So this time I think it should work. Well, that's it for this episode of my hot pepper growing series. Next time I'm hoping to have some seeds from this year cross pepper. And hopefully we'll be able to see pretty quickly what kind of phenos we get out of it. I mean, I'm not really expecting anything too crazy out of the F1, but you never know. Hopefully it'll look really cool, and I'm hoping that I think my biggest hopes are for the taste, because I tasted one of these ghost peppers and I really don't like the taste. I'm hoping that it takes on a little bit more of the jalapeno flavor. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll try to upload a little bit more often, because I don't even remember when my last update was. It's probably a good month. I really want to keep it to 2 weeks per update. But anyway, thanks for watching.